Hello there and welcome to 11 Plus English. We're looking at punctuation test 2. So let's read the question first of all. Choose the letter below the group of words containing a punctuation mistake in the image below. If there is no mistake, choose the letter N. So let's just read this sentence together. So, how could you do that? Demanded Sandra incredulously. You ruined everything. So here we've got a sentence and we're trying to pick out where the punctuation mistake is, first of all, okay? So if I look at option A here, how could you do that? Seems like to me that it's actually a question as well. So there should be a question mark somewhere. So in this case, I would go for option A as the particular answer, but be very careful. Always make sure you look at the exclamation marks, punctuation marks, full stops, commas, quotation marks, speech marks, semicolons and colons and so on. Because the mistake pretty much could be anywhere. And if there is no mistake, then please choose the letter N, meaning there's no mistake. Good luck with the rest of the questions. Take care.